zooming out and talking about this whole idea of democratization, like I think we need to be more proud and excited about that. Whereas I feel like a lot of people are hold their craft very tightly, and the moment it gets democratized and it gets easier, they start to double down on it's like, oh, it's rubbish and whatever. And this was highlighted to me through my Nana Banana
Mhm.
posts
Yeah,
on LinkedIn, where people were saying like, oh no, you want a real it's not going to kill Photoshop because we won't be able to do this and this and this. People are going to discover the art of manipulating photography through simple tools like Nano Banana, right? And yes, they're not going to be great. Yet it's not going to be great, but it's just allowing that gateway. It's that bar that's been lowered. That yes, probably 80% of those people are just going
exactly.
to stay in that world and they're not going to care. But 20% are going to get hooked and they're going to be like, huh, I like this. And then they're going to discover Photoshop. They're going to discover all these newer tools and grow and stuff like that. And I just don't get why people aren't excited about that democratization. They themselves probably found the art of photography through Photoshop, which is a democratization of dark rooms and having to process photographs yourself. Like we're all a product of a
Exactly.
level of democratization, which for some reason people get on their high horse about the fact that they're not a real developer because they use Webflow, or they're not true because they didn't start writing code. It's like, just let people find their path in this, and those that don't want to find their path in doing it, like, let them exist at that level. Be thankful that
I,
people are enjoying themselves and finding fulfillment and all that.
yeah, I
And
agree.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.